Look how nice the wildflower are. It's full of everywhere. These wildflower are common. Friends, it's Paris, France. The natural scenery of Paris and France is so awesome. You can't imagine. I have visited many countries and I live many. I was long time. I was in different countries, but I never see so wonderful natural scenery and everywhere it's full of nature and flowers. It's wildflower. Bees are pollinating. Yeah, this bee is very serious. He's collecting the honey. This is the high season for her. Look this flower. It's full of wildflowers. Everywhere you find wildflower. Here's another kinds of. It's I see it's one kinds of series. It's a wild series. Especially birds enjoy it very much. Full of wild series everywhere. So full. It's everywhere. This kinds of the birds enjoy it very much. So it's a lot of foods for birds and animals are here. The sound of waterfall. Oh la la. So cool. Cool. There are a lot of fish here. Sometimes you find a lot of fish here, but day after day it's decreasing. And a lot of wild bird, lava, everything is here. So relaxing. The sound is so relaxing for me.